Egombora ya Chura ni mwaha magombora garakuchiza y'obuhango kandi ine byara 39 n'amashomero 8 ga primary kandi gitayini ishomero lyone lya senior. Okombeka Chura Seed School abantu bano bagira government bahwerire cyango.
So around 300 pupils have been missing secondary education just because of not having a secondary institution. So for me, I'm very happy and so grateful.
Tubaire nitungo bulemezi bwingi muno kimuhali ebi tubaire taine ebyombeke birukumara then echa kabiri na scholastic materials ingebitabo kusomesezamo nebintu ebindi ebyomusomese byakwetaga kurora omwana yasoma kurungi.
Egombore eno nkoto muno ine byara 69 kandi na masomero 8 aga primary school aga government bitu eberete ini somero lya senior. Abana bakemba rubata kilometer 15 kwekaisomerera iho ndiri Kisojo baitu ekitalabaniza na abana basoboyira kujya mu masomero balekere baitati ntunihera anti isomero linko kuli abahayi ndija okusomesa abana baitu.
Okombeka Seed School eji nukwija kumara ho billioni 3 na miliyoni 300 kandi neija kombeshurwa mu mezi kw'emigonga.
The contractor started commenced works on 16th of March 2026. That is now 1 month and a few days. I think 1.5 months, right? If I'm correct. And he is expected to complete this project in 10 months.
And as you visited the site, we are right now coming out of the foundation. We're going to get to the slabs and we are progressing where we hope to finish in time.
Abebembeza mu district ya Chenjejo bashabera bakwasibwa mu rumogu okugukora kurungi.
Chihura has been blessed to have a seed school with direct funding from the government. And we want to thank the Ministry of Education for having spearheaded this project under USIP.
So if we are looking at saving the future of a given number of Ugandans, especially from around this area, and those ones that will be crossing from primary level to secondary level, we need to all think about targeting towards the completion of this project by
Gasha kwa Daniel Bingana.